What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back at Copart, and this time we're going to look at a C6 Corvette going really cheap. So here we have a 2005 C6 Chevy Corvette with like 160,000 miles on the odometer. This one's probably going to be pretty rough. You've got the 6.0 liter. Is it an automatic or a manual? We're going to find that out here in just a minute too. But first I want to walk around it and try to figure out what the damage is, why it's here. I mean, it's definitely rough. Is this cement? What? Oh, that's from sitting like under a tree. Oh man, what a horrible thing to do to a Corvette. Honestly, I want to say I don't see any damage, but I mean, there's residue all over the top. There's tree stuff everywhere. Wait a minute. Here it is. I found it. Oh, you know what? I'll bet we can't get into it. Oh, come on. The tires are completely rotten. Look at that. I mean, they are completely rotten. So the damage looks like it's down here on the rocker. I don't know how bad it is. I'd need to open the door to get in there. But, oh, wow. Yeah, definitely some damage going on there. Windshield is also busted all the way across. It is an automatic, and it has the red interior, which is like my favorite color interior. We're also missing a fog light over here. What is going on with this car? And the gaps don't look right either. Please, no. Well, yeah, the keys are, I don't know if you can see in there. The keys are attached to the steering wheel. Can you see that red leather interior? Oh, man. How did this end up here? See, here's the thing that concerns me about this car. You see all the dead leaves? Not just the dead leaves, but there are like broken, old, dead twigs. The windshield wipers are completely rotten. I mean, look at this. There's nothing left of them, guys. No. All the stuff from trees all over it. This is a car. They got parked and it sat for a long time. Look at the debris stuck in the windshield wiper. Yeah, look at that. Nah. This car has been sitting for a long time. Now, why it suddenly had an insurance claim filed against it, well, I guess we'll never know. And these tires are so rotten. This looks like a car that has sat for years. Like, no joke. This thing, I'm pretty sure this has been sitting for years. Pickup date, 11 of 2023. So this thing was literally just picked up and stuck here. Here's the deal. I'm somewhat interested in it because this car should have been, with the mileage and obviously the condition that it's in, this car was probably not worth more than 10 grand before the accident. Now that you've got rotten tires, it's obviously been parked for a while, I guarantee you it doesn't run. Plus the damage and the unknowns. I don't want to say it, but I would almost bet that you could get this car for maybe $7,000, maybe $7,000. If it doesn't run, I'm thinking $6,000, maybe $7,000. You guys comment below and tell me what you think. But for that kind of money, I'll take a chance on it. So to my surprise, it actually says it runs. Interesting. Well, that definitely changes things, doesn't it? Yeah, you're not going to get it for $5,000 if it runs. 160,000 miles on the odometer. And the title type, it doesn't say. It's not yet for sale, so we're going to have to wait to find out more information on this one. Either way, I'm going to leave it on my list, especially since it's supposed to run. I might be interested in taking this on. So I think we got time, since we couldn't really check out that Corvette. We can check out one more vehicle. This is an 04 Chevy Malibu, and some people just really hate this little car. I'll be honest with you, I've always kind of loved them. I really don't know why. I was thinking to myself before I started filming this, why? I just don't know. But there's something about this little car that I really, really like. I'm not sure what engine it has in it. I'm certain it's probably like some oddball 3600, 3.6 liter, something like that. It smells interesting. Very interesting. There were obviously car seats in it. This is not salvaged. This is not wrecked. This is like through dealer services, which probably means that somebody is selling it through Copart for somebody else or something like that. Not necessarily a deal breaker for me. Tires look pretty good so far. The body and paint, it's, you know, it's not too bad. It's still something that I think is usable. Oh, wow. What? Okay, well, I've got to investigate this further. I've never seen this before. Looks like the window, oh. Okay. Huh. So the window has popped out somehow. It's popped out of the door. Oh, and the battery. Oh, this is great. The battery is on the floor in the back seat. Oh, it's getting better and better. All right. I'll play. Let's pop the hood. Something tells me this isn't going to be good. I wonder if this is one of those cars that's been parked for like 20 years. I love those. Those are some of my favorite. No, it has an engine. Okay. Why did they take the battery out and stick it in the back seat? Who does that? Even to a car you're getting rid of, why would you do that? Check the oil. Yep, it's got oil. And I can't remember what size this engine is. To me, it kind of looks like that 3.9 that they used in the police interceptor versions of Impalas and stuff back in the day. That's what I'm thinking, but I'm probably wrong. It's probably just like a 3.6 liter. You guys comment below and tell me. If I could see an emission sticker somewhere, I would absolutely read it and verify one way or the other. But the only thing I'm seeing is caution, caution. Yes, it has cooling fans. Should we try it out? I don't know. Terminals actually look to be in really good shape. I guess it wouldn't hurt to throw a jump on it real quick and, well, see if it does anything. Okay. I'm not sure it's going to do anything, to be honest with you. Really need to have that battery back in it, I think. But, oh my god. Oh, is there no keys? No. Oh, man. So, that was a complete waste of time, wasn't it? Maybe the keys are hiding here somewhere, right? What is... Oh, that used to go up there. It's got no juice at all. Keys. Nope. Fuses. Keys. Nope. 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 In here? Come on. Mouse poop. Great. It's been sitting a while. Just as I suspected. But without keys, this isn't going to do us... well, this isn't going to do us any good. So, unfortunately, we ran into a dud. It happens. Well, sorry this one didn't work out, guys, but the Corvette, I think, is still cool. This Malibu, I would not touch with a 10-foot pole at this point. But the Corvette, I'm keeping that on my list. I'm looking at it. I'm actually genuinely interested in that. Only if I could get it for like a really good deal. You guys comment below and tell me what you would bid. Remember, we may have been able to look at it. We haven't started it. We haven't heard it run. We don't know the extent of the damage. We don't know anything about this car other than it's a high mileage Corvette that looks like it's been sitting for 20 years. How much would you be willing to risk of your own money if you were bidding on that car? Hope you enjoyed the new structure of these videos. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. But please hit the thumbs up button, drop your comments below, good, bad, or ugly, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.